Hi everyone! What's up mga bebs? So for today's vlog, bali iro-room tour or i-house tour ko kayo sa aming pinag-i-stayan dito sa Canada. So just keep on watching lang and thank you so much. Hi everyone! What's up mga bebs? So for today's vlog, I'm gonna tour you sa aking ini-stayan dito sa Canada. So it's gonna be a house tour and just keep on watching lang and thank you so much.
Ito yung kusina. Ito yung sala. Sala.
Sabi nung may-ari, si Jeff talaga may-ari. Sorry.
Wait lang kuya, bahaya tayo mo sa. Teka lang. Ito yung unang room.
Asya lang mo.
Ito yung pangalawang room. Ito yung washroom. Ito yung storage malaki kaya okay na. Storage malaki siya.
Sila ko na asawa ko.
May sariling kami. May
For bali, pinakita ko na sa inyo yung una namin pinag-i-stayan. Then we decided to move out to a new place for a new life. So this is how it looks like. So this is our door. Bali, nilagyan namin siya ng mesh, parang per mosquito mesh. And then after that, papasok na tayo. Pero ibabakam ko muna mga. Bali, bubuksan na natin. Since sa basement kami, then medyo walang ganong privacy. Kasi ito yung sa first floor. May sarili silang access dito going to the back. Pero may daan din sila dun sa likod nila. So, nilagyan na lang namin itong curtain. So, di patong lang siya. Tapos yun yung pababa sa amin. Then, ito yung mga kalakal panglinis. Ito, gamit. Then, of course, meron tayo ditong lagay ng mga slippers. So, I close the door. So, pababa na tayo. Yan. And as you can see, this is my brother's camping stuff. Since kakagaling lang niya sa camping. And then, aside from that, meron na namang tuluan ng mga damit. And then, this is our fridge look likes. Bali, yung mga stock. So, I bought this one from Costco. Then, paubos na siya. Tapos, yung ibang stock namin, drinks, and everything. Tapos, eto naman yung fridge. So, yan yung laman. Ayan. And then, yung sa baba naman is ayan. Hindi pa kami gano'n nakakapamili kaya walang ganong laman. So, this is what you can see once you go down to the stairs. Then, pagka ganun mo, makikita mo naman dito yung aming kitchen. And then, of course, this one, binili lang namin yan sa Uncle Winners or something like that. Bali, nandyan yung mga stock namin, yung mga noodles, canned goods, dried mix. And then, of course, ito yung mga wet na pang ano natin. Sahog-sahog, we have oil, ketchup, of course. And then, vinegar, fish sauce, and everything. Tapos, ito yung pinakalutuan namin, which is the electric one. Tapos, ito yung tira na sa pagkain namin binagoong. And then, may rice. Of course, we're using rice cooker. Tapos, ito yung mga spoon and fork and other utensils. Tapos, nandito naman yung aming mga plates, cup, and everything. Then, some na ginagamit sa pangluto is andito. Ayan. Tapos dito naman, ano makikita dito? More on noodles ulit. And then of course, yung mga Tupperware. And then dito naman is, eto yung ibang stock namin na canned goods and everything. May miswood din. Tapos eto yung ibang mga spices. Tapos nandito yung onion garlic namin. Then potato. Then yan. Tauba namin. Hugasan. Eto, may iba ulit mga canned goods and everything. Then of course, our cup. Then eto yung pasta corner namin. Cling wrap. I bought this one in Costco. Then bibili din ako niyang papadala ko sa Pinas. We also have this one for baking. And then of course, ang hindi mawawala sa mga Pinoy ang rice. Tapos nandito naman yung ibang pangluto, cleaning materials. Tapos eto yung garbage bag namin. So yan ang aming kusina. Next naman is yung dine-in namin. So ito, bali food ko yan from Uber. Thank you so much Uber Canada. And then yan, may mga breads lang. Yung itsura niyan talaga hindi ganyan. Pwede rin namin siyang paganto, but regularly, we put this one para mas maraming space dito. So this is our dining table. And then of course, our sala. So we have this one, and then the cover, I bought this in Lazada when I came here in Canada. So I brought that one. And then of course, this is how it looks like. Bali, eto yung pang siksek para hindi siya magganong saging tignan. Hindi na naayos kasi dyan natutulog yung kapatid ko. And then, wala kaming pambili ng massage chair, so we decided to make our own. So you're just gonna sit there, just sit down and relax. Of course, meron din man foot reflex. And then this is the center table for our sala. And then the television. And then some stuff of my balloon. So there you go. This is how it looks like. Next is silipin lang natin yung room ng aking kapatid. And there you go. Ayan yung bed niya. And then some of his stuff. Ayan. Then later on, I'm gonna show you also my room. Pero sa huli na yun kasi I'm planning to make a room tour. So ito naman yung aming mga pampalamig, mga jackets and everything and other stuff. Tapos yan yung iba namin mga kubrik kama and everything. And then of course, sige na nga, pakita ko na sa inyo pero hindi ko siya totally So this is how my rooms looks like. Bali yan yung mga pasalubong ko. Next, I'm gonna have my own version on doing the room tour. So this is my bed and other stuff. So I have clock and everything like that. So yeah, yung damitan ko and everything. Sa kanin sa room ko kasi may own version siya ng aming room tour. So this is the washroom. So ayan, this is how it looks like. So OOTD, so FEU lang ang bag. And then after that, here is our lavatory. Then, of course, my hand soap, which is the most important here in Canada. Tapos, ito yung ginagamit namin panlinis once na madumihan or something else. Tapos, may drawer yung ilalim ng aming lavatory. Nandyan yung mga pampagupit ko. Some of the cleaning materials and everything. Oh, sorry. Of course, we have a garbage bin also. And this is our toilet. And we also have a toilet storage on it. Bali, naubos na. I'm planning to finish everything that I have right now, which most of my stock here, so that I'm gonna stick to one product sooner or later. Kasi ang hirap pag masyado ka maraming pinagpipilian. Then, ayan, eto yung cotton balls. Then, we also have our soap and everything. Tapos yan, shower gel. And this is our bathtub looks like. Medyo mahirap siyang i-maintain wide. So, weekly, obligado kang linisin kasi makikita mo medyo madilaw-dilaw na siya agad. That's why. But, good thing we're able to maintain it. Then, medyo, na siya kasi medyo 5 days na since the last time that I cleaned this one. So, we also have this for our shower. So, that's gonna be our washroom. Next, dun naman sa aming storage, Bali, etong storage namin is actually laundry area na rin. Bali, washing machine and then the dryer. Then here are some of the stuff for my brother's business, which is the event styling and everything. So yan yung mga tela. Tapos ito yung some of the 3D letters that was left from the other client. Tapos yan yung mga pang backdrop stand. Tapos meron din tayo ng mga stand, and then of course ng mga grass. And then we also have the schedule of our garbage and then laba day, which is the laundry day. And then eto naman yung ibang art material namin. Then this is our garbage stock for the laundry. And this is our pasalubong box. Bali, puno na namin yung isa, puno na namin to. Tapos mapupuno ko na naman yung maybe dalawa doon sa mga bagayeng nasa akin. Then we have the bulilit. Tapos eto pa yung ibang stuff na makikita doon sa aming pang-events. So there you go. Of course, hindi mawawala ang ating altar. This is already a traditional habit ng mga Pinoy na magkaroon ng altar sa kanilang bahay. So may magic eraser pa. This is the one that I use for cleaning the wall. And then there you go. Of course, we have the Black Nazareth, crucifix, and then of course the Bible, and then the water, salt, and rice. So there you go. Bali, may mga stock lang dyan ng mga toilet paper and everything that I use for my vlogging as well. So this is how it looks like. So there mga bebs, bali, ayan, pinakita ko na nga sa inyo yung aming tinutuluyan dito sa Canada. So that's gonna be our house for almost turning a year already. And then, as of the moment, of course, everything is good. Sometimes it was noisy upstairs, but we're used to it. And then, medyo nalalesen na yung kanilang mag-ingay kasi they realized that it's not good to, you know, mahirap kasi magpahinga lalo na pag sobrang ingay, lagi ka magigising. Pero okay naman sila. Then, ayan, napakita ko na sa inyo yung aming ini-stayan sa aming bahay. And hindi ko ganong binigyan ng exposure yung aking room kasi I'm gonna make my own version for my room tour kasi sobrang dami ko dong gamit na gusto kong ipakita sa inyo na mga dadaling ko din pa uwi ng Pilipinas. So, there you go! 2-room siya, then ayun, kahit pa paano meron kaming sarili naming privacy staying here in Canada. Unlike before, I was just sleeping in a couch, but right now, of course, medyo nag-upgrade na tayo. So yun, bali hanggang dito na lang. Thank you so much kasi nag-enjoy ka until the end of my vlog ko. So, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe na and click the bell button para ma-notify kayo if ever na may new videos and upload ako. Pa-comment, like, and share na. We also have our Facebook page. It's gonna be Felicamize page. Follow, like, and share na rin. We also have our TikTok, Instagram, and everything. So, it's just gonna be FF Tamayo or Feliz Tamayo. So, that's it. Thank you so much, and on my next vlog, it's gonna be my room tour. So, thank you, and see you all on my next vlog.